Today we asked Chat GPT to give us a recipe to make, but not tell us what we were making. It's a complete mystery what we're gonna end up with, but we're really excited to find out, so let's go.
Here's a recipe you can try and I'm sure you'll be surprised by what it makes.
I'm sure you're right. Let's get to it.
Seeing these ingredients, what do you think it's gonna be?
Ooh, that's a tough one. It's not a lot of ingredients. I don't know. It's confusing. Okay, I can tell you what it's not. It's not cookies, it's not cake, it's not anything like that. I have a feeling it's gonna be some sort of a square or maybe some sort of creamy dessert using these ingredients. The condensed milk is throwing me off a bit. So it's kind of weird.
I won't tell you if you're wrong or right.
Of course not. Okay, chef. Yes, chef. Let's go, chef. Time to bust up these graham crackers.
In a large bowl, mix together the graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and sugar until well combined.
Yes, chef. This is like a graham cracker crust situation. What's next?
Press the mixture into the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch, 23 by 33 cm baking dish.
Greased or ungreased? Instructions unclear. It's like a teenager putting on Axe.
Ew.
Alright, let's get pressing. Okay.
Oh yes, spread it.
Hey! That was very unsexy. That is a thick crust, if that's what this is. I can't say for sure, but it's thick.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy.
Hey, this AI has a method to his madness. Just gotta let him cook.
Hey, I'm doing it. I'm following chef's orders.
Let him cook!
Pour the condensed milk evenly over the graham cracker mixture.
Huh. Okay.
Interesting.
I'll trust you.
Oh my.
You're not George Takei.
Oh my.
It's a little challenging without lifting the crust. And then?
Sprinkle the chocolate chips and chopped nuts, if using, on top of the condensed milk.
Okay. I mean, that looks pretty good.
Wow, look at all these nuts.
Got him!
Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown.
Gotta admit, I'm real curious how this is gonna go. Let's try it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Looks pretty good. I'm not mad at this at all. What's there to complain about? It looks tasty, right? So I have a couple questions. First of all, does anyone know what this is? I think I was right to say it's some sort of square, dessert square, but I don't know what kind. And second question is, does AI just pull this out of nowhere, or does it pull from a bunch of sources? Is this someone's recipe specifically from a website? I don't fully get it. If anyone wants to shed some light on where this came from, if it belongs to somebody, if the AI made it up, I don't know.
I don't know any of those answers, but I just hope it's delicious.
It smells quite lovely. I don't see how it could go badly. It's surprisingly soft in a good way.
Ooh, yeah, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
It's very, very sweet, but the texture is really enjoyable, and it's pretty delicious.
It smelled really good, and I couldn't think of anything in the components that concerned me except for the plain condensed milk dumped on top. Maybe I'd use dulce de leche or some sort of caramel.
My problem with it is it's just way, way, way too sweet for me. But if you have a sweet tooth, you might like it. Yeah, that was a fun experiment. Let us know if you want to see more weird AI recipes. Possibilities are endless. Hey everybody.
Oh, hi.
So first off, thanks for watching all of the video. We really appreciate it. Second thing is we want to do a Q&A. So if you guys have any questions about us or anything like that, leave them down below and we're going to go through in a separate video, answer all those questions. So leave everything you have down below and we'll get to as many of them as we can.
Yeah, don't be shy. Give us some good stuff. Let us know what you want to know.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Okay, thanks.